Hey everybody, back again, and today I'm going to be taking a piece of mild steel round bar and teaching you guys how to make a horse head. So for this project you're going to need a small punch. This is literally just a center punch, but it'll work for the purposes at hand. This is going to be for our eye. A wider punch, this is going to be for the nose. And then a flat chisel that is semi-sharp, a little dulled out, will work just fine. So let's get into the fire. I'll show you guys how to shape the horse head, and then I'll show you how I put the features on it. So we've got our little horse head all finished up. I went ahead and gave it some legs to stand on, so that way I don't have to hold it while I'm showing you guys. That was just a little thing to show how to split metal. If you've never used a hot cut before, just kind of demonstrate how cutting steel at the anvil can work aside from using the traditional method of using a chisel or the hot cut in the hardy hole. This is a top tool style hot cut that I was using. But yeah, now you guys know how to make a horse head. I hope you get some time to get out to the shop and try and make one of these of your own. But that does it for today's video. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, all that jazz, and until next time, God bless. Stay sharp out there.